we have another awesome operation of the Ukrainian armed forces. Over 30 kilometers, 19 miles behind the front, Ukrainian Special Operation Forces hit a Russian grouping of vehicles in Zaporizhia Oblast, destroying at least 5 BMPs, 2 trucks, and a field munitions dump with indirect fire. What we can see from the video is total carnage on the Russian side. Such Ukrainian attacks, in addition to raising the morale of the Ukrainian forces, have the opposite effect on the Russian side. The Russians are demoralized and disoriented as the attacks come deep behind the front lines. And Warthog Defense reported previously that the Ukrainian forces have entered Verbov and Novo Prokopivka, although Russian bloggers claimed that this was not true. But now we have the footage of the process of clearing Novo Prokopivka by units of the Ukraine 3rd Brigade. The 71st Regiment of the Russian Federation stationed there almost completely lost its defense capability and almost all of its personnel. And the bloopers from Russia just can't stop. Russian authorities accidentally revealed the addresses of the country's secret military buildings, institutions, and spy homes in Moscow and in St. Petersburg, an investigative site found. The Dossier Center, a project launched by Russian opposition figure Mikhail Khodorkovsky, found the addresses listed in a 434-page document titled Special Group, which was published on the Moscow City Hall website. The document listed properties where there must be no blackouts. The list reportedly included a range of top-secret government facilities, homes belonging to GRU, the main directorate of the General Staff of the Armed Forces of the Russian Federation, officers and President Vladimir Putin's Secret Service, an ammunition depot, and more. The document was signed by Vyacheslav Tursunov, the head of the Housing and Communal Services Department, and Andrei Kovalev, the director of Mosenergosbit, which sells electric energy to subscribers in the Moscow region. It was approved by the mayor of Moscow, Sergei Sobyanin. The list also included the details of 2 apartments associated with Russia's Foreign Intelligence Service, which are either inhabited by department employees or used for conducting special operations. The Dossier Center said that such details are considered state secrets by law. The largest concentration of such facilities and buildings are in Cerebriani Bohr, a large park area in northwest Moscow. It's a protected natural area in the Moscow district of Koroshevo-Menevniki, according to the investigative project, which said that prominent and wealthy Russians, including the head of the Russian Orthodox Patriarch Kirill, own mansions there. The Dossier Center said that while law enforcement agencies owning property in these areas was not a secret, the 434-page document approved by Sobyanin states which buildings in the park are connected with intelligence or counterintelligence. A small building at Leningradsky Avenue in Moscow that was rumored to be occupied by intelligence officers is listed under Military Unit 28178 in the document. The Dossier Center said this means it is connected with Russia's Foreign Intelligence Service. The list also includes the location of an ammunition depot in the Leningrad region. Who doesn't believe that we are fighting with rusty mines? Let them come and help us wash the mortar shells. A Russian soldier shows the state of the mortar shells delivered on Russian frontline positions. Obviously, those were not manufactured recently.
Короче, на войне готовимся к войне. Это уже отмытое. Вот мытые. Вот такие вот у нас, вот они наши боеприпасы, блядь. На 82-й минометр.
Не при этом, но
вот
что делать,
нам
потерпим.
600 мин. Вот сейчас, чтобы повоевать, мы их будем мыть соляркой. Вот многие даже снаряженные уже с ржавыми взрывателями. Вот, ну будем кидать. Из 6 2 взрываются. Примерно так. Вот это уже снаряженные вот мины. Вот так вот воюем. Так что, кто не верит, что мы воюем ржавым вооружением, ржавыми минами, нахуй, пускай приезжает, хотя бы поможет нам мины помыть. И так каждый раз. Перемываем иногда по 1500 мин. Ну, хотя бы они есть, это уже радует. У некоторых даже этого нету.
Чего не смеетесь-то? Не смешно? Не поняли, да? Это Россия.
Russia launched yet another ad for the special military operation, where they say that after capturing Odessa, Russian soldiers will receive land for free there. I'm here until victory, until Berlin, just like my grandpa told me to, the actor says. In the comments, people write, so we'll need to capture Berlin as well. Great!
Скоро и тут выбор.
Здорово. А я после войны здесь останусь. В Одессе. Родня моя из этих земель. Вернусь домой, можно сказать.
Землю купите?
Да нет. Дадут. Когда не восточный гектар, а участникам СВО в первую очередь.
Ты же участник СВО по мобилизации. Скоро домой отправь.
Нет. А парней на кого оставлю? Я здесь до победы. До Берлина. Как дед завещал.
And the Russian propagandist seems serious on the matter. They promise to bring troops back to Germany as soon as they win in Ukraine. They are unhappy with Gorbachev dissolving the Warsaw Pact and the unification of Germany.
Горбачев распустил Варшавский договор. Горбачев и Ельцин разрешили Германии воссоединиться. При этом даже не был решен вопрос о том, чтобы Германия обязательно была нейтральным государством. Вот если действовать исходя из каких-то абстрактных величин, к сожалению, это приводит к вполне конкретным проблемам для того государства, которое этими абстрактными величинами руководствуется. Поэтому никогда больше строгая прагматичная политика. В интересах России действуем, не в интересах России не действуем.
То есть побеждаем на Украине и вводим обратно войска.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.